Hi YouTube, today we will go herping. As you can see, it is raining, but we will try to do the most of it. I hope to find some animals under rocks or wood or whatever. And yeah, I have been here before, and I know there are some spots things I can flip and hopefully show you some interesting animals underneath. Here we have our first tin board. We will see now. Nope. Now this is what I was talking about. Here the stones. We will flip now. Now I'm not recording all the way I'm walking because I don't expect anything to see out in the rain. The temperature, it's probably too cold for snakes. I don't usually see snakes out in the rain, but it's summer, so it's just a rainy day. Nope, nothing under here. Nothing under here. Yeah, I'll keep searching and hopefully we will find some interesting things today. Here we have our second tin board. Is it called a tin board? I'm not sure, I think so. Yeah, this one looks pretty good. It's like here are the trees, here is no trees, and snakes like to be like on the I have a place where they can go and hide from predators, but also have a place to take sunbaths. Nothing under here either. Yeah, maybe snakes have a different taste of what looks good than I have, but we will keep searching. Here we have our third thin board today, and nothing underneath like the two before. Oh, we have here some pieces of snake skin. I don't know if you can see it. Here. So there was a snake underneath here and shed its skin. Probably, maybe not completely, because there were just parts of the belly scales, but that's definitely a good sign that here are snakes. Just do I not know if how long it's been since the snake was under there, so it might be somewhere far away. Oh, finally we have a little smooth snake. Now this snake is not venomous, but it might bite. And yeah, it has a nice coloration. Wait a second. It has a nice coloration. Usually they're not this like reddish, but it may be because she's about to shed her skin, or I actually think it's a he. You can see the stripe on his tail. That's where his genitals are, and snake males actually do have two genitals, and now the females have a shorter tail than males do. Yeah, glad to find this. Oh yeah, no, it's biting me, and it's like chewing. That's typical for smooth snakes. When they bite, they don't just bite, they keep like chewing on you. Yeah, first herp of today, and it's a really nice herp of the day. You can see here her tail, or his tail, is a little bit damaged. I don't know what it's from. It may be some predator, but sometimes it can also happen that they just hurt themselves like humans do, cutting on some sharp objects or something like that. Yeah. And one more thing I find interesting is that here she was lying in a ant's nest, or I don't know how it's called, like in middle of ants, and I'm surprised that they're not, the ants don't bite them. So yeah, I don't know if it's due to the scales or they just don't smell like prey, because I'm sure if I would put my hand there, the ants would start biting me. Now here I was flipping some stones, and what I found here is although it's dead, a dead grass snake. Now grass snakes aren't venomous either, and they're typically found around such areas with water. They mainly feed on amphibians and also fish, but mainly on amphibians, and they usually find amphibians near water. Here you can see tadpoles. Yeah, so now I'm heading back. I have to catch my train. I'm glad we found something today, although it's raining, and I hope we'll have more luck with the weather in the next video. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and see you next time.